left America, a father, son, and spirit too. They turn to take one last look around, blow a kiss and wave, then smite the ground. They're flying out of America, headed east in a private jet. Adirondacks below, peaks soft and proud, flying over New York City without a sound. The devil has left America. He's packing all his brimstone and demons too. He turns to take one last look around, flicks his tail and spits hot bile on the ground. He's driving out of America, headed south in an old RV across the Rio Grande, roaring and proud, slipping to Juarez without a sound. The angels have fled America. They're folding up their wings and halos too. Raphael takes one last look around, drops a fluffy white feather that freezes the ground. They're hitching a ride out of America, stop at Wenatchee for a cup of joe. Looked up an old lover, but she couldn't be found. They slipped across the border without a sound. The stories have left America, the pages and ink, leather bookmarks too. They turn to take one last look around, dropping silverfish, glitter scurry over the ground. They're sailing out of America, headed out west in a schooner rig. Monterey Bay